Yep, my name's Doug Cower. I'm going to start with my Kawasaki collection here. My first one is the 78 440 Invader. My buddy Ted restored this. And if you want, you can look under the hood. This actually has what they call the power-up kit. So now you got two pipes, twin pipes. This 78 was the only one that had a fiberglass hood too. I'll go over to this one. Now this here, this is my new acquisition. This came from Wisconsin, the Snow Museum. Kawasaki donated this sled back in 2011 to them. I was out there last year, picked it